Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today I will show you how to convert an image file from WebP to PNG. Let's begin this video. To perform this action, we need to open Adobe Photoshop and Paint tools. Photoshop doesn't normally support the WebP file format by default. However, you can enable this functionality by installing an extension. Now, open to Paint tools for the convert this WebP file. First, save the image file using Paint tools. Then, upload the file into Photoshop and remove the background using the Magic Eraser tool. I think you understand how to convert WebP file to PNG, totally free of cost. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more updates.